NCERT Class 8 Chapter 1 Properties of Rational Numbers. Topic 1.2.3 Associativity. We check the associativity for addition. We take one example. Minus 1 upon 2 plus within the bracket 3 upon 7 plus minus 4 upon 3. Now we solve this. We solve the bracket first. So we take minus 1 upon 2 plus within the bracket we solve it. The LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. Now 7 times 3 is 21. Therefore 3 times 3 is 9 plus 3 times 7 is 21. Hence 7 times minus 4 equal to minus 28. This is equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus within the bracket 9 minus 28 is minus 19 upon 21. Now we solve minus 1 upon 2 plus minus 19 upon 21. So LCM of 2 and 21 is 42 and 2 times 21 equal to 42. Therefore minus 1 multiplied by 21 is minus 21 plus 21 times 2 is 42. Therefore 19 multiplied by 2 is 38 and we take the minus sign of 19. So that is minus 38. This is equal to minus 21 plus minus 38 upon 42, that is equal to minus 59 upon 42. Now we shift the bracket and solve again. That is, we start the bracket and put minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 7 and we close the bracket plus minus 4 upon 3. Now we solve the bracket first. LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. Then 2 times 7 is 14 and 7 times minus 1 is minus 7 plus 7 times 2 is 14. Therefore 3 times 2 is 6. We close the bracket plus minus 4 upon 3. This is equal to, we solve the bracket, minus 7 plus 6 equal to minus 1 upon 14 plus minus 4 upon 3. We solve these two rational numbers. The LCM of 14 and 3 is 42. 14 times 3 and 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 plus 3 times 14 is 42. Therefore 14 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 56 equal to minus 59 upon 42. Therefore we can say that earlier when the bracket was for the last two rational numbers and after shifting the bracket we have kept the bracket in the first two rational numbers and we have solved it. So even by shifting the bracket and solving the addition, we get the answer as minus 59 upon 42. Hence we can say that minus 1 upon 2 plus within bracket 3 upon 7 plus minus 4 upon 3 bracket close equal to, now shifting the bracket, minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 7 bracket close plus minus 4 upon 3 equal to minus 59 upon 42. This is the property of associativity. Thus, addition is associative for rational numbers. That is, for three rational numbers a, b and c, a plus within bracket b plus c equal to within bracket a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. B. Subtraction. We check the associativity for a subtraction by the example. We take minus 2 upon 3 minus within the bracket minus 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2. Now we solve this. This is equal to minus 2 upon 3 we keep as it is, and we solve the bracket first. The LCM of 5 and 2 is 10, and we solve 5 times 2, and therefore minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8, and 2 times 5 equal to 10. Therefore 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5, that is minus 8 minus 5 equal to minus 2 upon 3 minus 8 and minus 5 equal to minus 13 upon 10. This on solving we get. We take the LCM of 10 and 3. 3 times 10 is 13. Therefore we multiply 10 by minus 2. So we get minus 20 minus 10 times 3 is 30. Therefore we multiply 3 by minus 13, which gives us minus 39. This gives us minus 20, and minus becomes plus. So this becomes plus 39 upon 30, which is equal to minus 20 plus 39 gives us 19 upon 30. Now we shift the bracket and take the element like this. Within bracket minus 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 5. We will close the bracket, and minus 1 upon 2. This is equal to, we solve the bracket first. We take the LCM of 3 and 5, which is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So we multiply 5 by minus 2 and we get minus 10 minus. Now 5 times 3 is 15. So we multiply 3 by minus 4 and we get minus 12. We close the bracket. Minus 1 upon 2. So on solving the bracket we get minus 10 minus minus 12, that is minus 10 plus 12 upon 15 minus 1 upon 2. This gives 2 upon 15 minus 1 upon 2 equal to LCM of 15 and 2 is 30. 15 times 2 is 30. Therefore 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 minus 2 times 15 is 30 and 15 times 1 is 15. This gives us 4 minus 15 is minus 11 upon 30. So we find that earlier the solution was minus 19 upon 30, and after shifting the bracket we get the solution as minus 11 upon 30. Hence our both the solution are not equal. Hence we can say that minus 2 upon 3 minus within bracket minus 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2 is not equal to within bracket minus 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 5 bracket close minus 1 by 2. Thus subtraction is not associative. Now we check the associativity for multiplication. We take one example, 2 upon 3 multiplied by within bracket minus 6 upon 7 multiplied by 4 upon 5. This on solving we get 2 upon 3 multiplied by within bracket, we get on solving the bracket we get 24. 6 times 4 is 24 and we put minus sign of minus 6. So minus 24 upon 7 times 5 is 35. This gives us minus 24 upon 35. Now we multiply 24 by 2, which gives us minus 48 upon 35 multiplied by 3 is 105. This is equal to minus 16 upon 35. We divide the numerator and denominator by 3. Now we shift the bracket and we write like this. Within bracket 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 6 upon 7 bracket close multiplied by 4 upon 5. Now we solve the bracket first. 6 multiplied by 2 and 6 is minus sign, so it is minus 12. Minus 6 multiplied by 2 equal to minus 12 upon 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 multiplied by 4 upon 5. This gives us minus 12 multiplied by 4 gives us minus 48 and 21 times 5 gives us 105. So this is minus 48 upon 105, which is equal to, by dividing numerator and denominator by 3, we get minus 16 upon 35. So we find that in both the cases our answer is minus 16 upon 35. Therefore we can write 2 upon 3 multiplied by within bracket minus 6 upon 7 multiplied by 4 upon 5 bracket close equal to, now we shift the bracket and write 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 6 upon 7 bracket close multiplied by 4 upon 5 equal to minus 16 upon 35. Thus multiplication is associative for rational numbers, that is for any three rational numbers a, b and c. A multiplied by within bracket b multiplied by c equal to a multiplied by b within bracket close multiplied by c equal to a multiplied by b multiplied by c. This is the associative property for multiplication. Now we check it for division. We write the example as 1 upon 2 divided by within bracket minus 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5 bracket close. Now we shift the bracket and put it in first two elements and write within bracket 1 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 3 bracket close divided by 2 upon 5, and we solve these two and we find if it is equal, then we say it is associative, and if they are not equal we will say that the division is not associative. So on solving we get 1 upon 2 and we solve the bracket first. So we get minus 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5, we get minus 5 upon 6. On solving, minus 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5, we get minus 5 upon 6. And 1 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 3, we get minus 3 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 5. This gives us 1 upon 2 divided by minus 5 upon 6. 1 upon 2 divided by minus 5 upon 6 give us minus 6 upon 10. And minus 3 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 5 gives us minus 15 upon 4. Minus 6 upon 10 is minus 3 upon 5. We divide the numerator and denominator by 2 and we get minus 3 upon 5 and minus 15 upon 4. We see that minus 3 upon 5 and minus 15 upon 4 are not equal. Therefore, we say that 1 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5 is not equal to, within bracket, 1 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 3 bracket close divided by 2 upon 5. Thus, division is not associative for rational numbers. Here we complete this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.